Welcome to Dessert Planet. Two cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix flour, cinnamon, and baking powder and sift 3 times. Four number of eggs, 1 cup of sugar, half teaspoon of vanilla, mix the ingredients at high speed for 5 minutes. The ingredients should be creamy and bulky. Half cup of liquid oil, a glass of persimmon puree, stir until well combined. Add the flour mixture in 3 steps. The batter should be even. Sufficient enough chopped walnuts. Grease the mold well. Pour the cake batter into the mold. Put the mold in the preheated oven for 45 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. Thanks for watching.